So yun, welcome back mga kapadyak. Ayan, ito sa aking channel. For this vlog, mag-unboxing tayo ngayon ng isang brake set na Shimano MT201 or 201. Ayan, ito siya. Siyempre, always Shopee.
Ikaw ang loko-loko.
Beke naman, Shopee. Ayan, siyempre lagi tayo na-order ng Shopee, doon lagi tayo nag-unboxing. So tara guys, ayan, buksan natin. Let's go.
Yeah. Came in 17. Damn.
Sa mga gusto pa lang mag-order nito, ayan, lagay natin yung store sa link. Ayan, sa Shopee store niya. Check out nyo na lang kung gusto yung ma-visit ang kanilang store. Siyempre, lagi tayo may dalang blade. Ayan. O nga pala, ang Shimano M201 ay hindi na siya naka-box. Ito ay naka-plastic na kasi mas less sila siguro sa cargo, kaya binabox. Kumbaga, pag nag-order sila, pag nagpa-shipping sila, isang box na, tas lahat na nakaganito. So, hindi katulad dati, mga naka-box pa. Kaya, mas less kasi space, kaya mas makakatipid nga naman, di ba? Kaya, Shimano plastic na kanilang ginagamit. Ayan, tingnan natin guys kung talagang legit. Kasi maraming lumalabas, lalo na sa mga Shimano parks, maraming lumalabas ng mga imitation. Alam nyo na. Siyempre, hindi may iwasan yan. Ayan siya. So, ayan. Good na good naman at balot na balot. Ayun, oh. So, ito siya. Kanyang manual. And, ano sa loob? May nakabukol. Okay, ay, nalaglag. Ang kanyang mga tornilyo, manual and tornilyo. So ito, yung pang rear, pang likod. Ayan. Ayan, kung nakita nyo, ayan, nako, Shimano. And ayan. Ay, okay. Tingnan natin kung saan made. Ito yan. Alam ko made in Malaysia to. Tama, Malaysia yung nakalagay. Made in Malaysia. Ayan, kung nababasa nyo, ayan, Malaysia po siya nakalagay. Ito yung rear. And ito yung pang front na brake. Kasi ito guys, sa mga pag nag-upgrade, gusto mag-upgrade ng bike, isa sa pinaka-importante talaga ang brake. So syempre, pag na-ride ka, hindi mo maiwasan yung mga ahon, lusong. Mas maganda kung kampante yung loob mo pag naglulusong ka. Kasi yung ibang mga hydraulic, ay pumuputok yan eh. Baga, sumasabog yung mineral oil niya. Hindi talaga, hindi ka safe, lalo sa mga budget meal na hydraulic, budget meal na bike, tapos na hydraulic na, tapos hindi pa Shimano. So ito siya guys, ayan, mayroon na siyang kasamang adapter para sa pang front. Ayan. And ito yung pula niyan. Kaya pag nag-ano kayo guys, huwag nyo muna itong tatanggalin hanggat di pa nakakabit. At huwag nyo itong pipigain pag wala itong pula. Kasi pag yan naipit, pag nag-close yung piston, mahirapan kang sukitin ulit yan para magbukas. Pwede na kaya naman buksan, pero mas, syempre, trabaho. Ayan, and ito siya. Alright. So, hindi pa ito nakakabit sa kanyang hose. Ayan, hindi pa nakakabit. So, plug and play lang naman yata ito. Madali lang. So, gagamitan na natin ito ng, gagamitan lang ito ng tools para ikabit siya. Ay, so, yan pala. Pag tinanggal mo to, kailangan salpak mo na rin yun. Tapos, i-close, i-screw mo na to siya. So yung mga kapadyak, ayan, papakita ko lang sa inyo itong aking lumang Shimano na non-series. Ayan, brake set ko. Ayan. Siguro mga 3 years na rin to sa akin. Kaya talagang gamit na gamit siya. Sulit na sulit. Hanggang ngayon wala pa rin siyang issue. Ayan, pinili lang yung lever niya. Oh. Puro kalawang. Inalis ko lang yung boot, yung cover niya. May cover to. So inalis ko lang. Pero ayan, kinakalawang sa loob. Ayan. So yan pa. So ito ay made in Malaysia rin. Malaysia rin. So yun. Ito yung luma ko. Siyempre, ayan, nagtanggal tayo ng ng hand grip. Pagtalit tayo ng hand grip. Ayan, gamit tayo ng ito, ODI ba to? ODI. O yan, ano naman. Shopee lang din. Shopee. So, ito na guys. Ayan, assemble natin yung ating MT-201 na brake set. Let's go.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
So yun mga kapadyak, ayan tapos na natin i-install yung brake set and hand grip. And kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye, salute! See you on my next vlog.